Today there was strong wind and I didn't have a smaller wing dot with me. When you are a beginner, you have to know in which wind conditions you can wing. Know how to sail upwind is a very important skill, especially when there is no rescue boat to bring you back. So, in such conditions, I decided to go in and stay near the beach. I know that the wind is lighter near the coast and stronger when the sea color is darker. At the beginning, I started to sail in taxi position. In this way, I started to get confident and control the wing in my hands. Don't forget that the wing was too big for me. It was 4 meters and I should have a 3 meters wing. I did some jibes too. Don't pay attention at my technique, I cannot jibe yet, I was just turning around. The next round I get more confident and I stood up. I did the same as before, going back and forth. Practice my balance, my jibes, and my upwind course. Of course, all the time the foil wanted to rise up, but I didn't let it do that. I had the same temptation too, I wanted to fly too. But I stick to my initial plan, if not, I could regret it later. When I was feeling that the wind was stronger where I was turning back. I continued to practice my upwind and my jibes. My advices are: have the correct gear for the correct wind condition. Don't overestimate your powers and abilities, the sea doesn't forgive. Speak with the locals, they know where is gusty and where the wind is stronger. Check if the wind is offshore, onshore, or sideshore. Check for rescue zones in case you sail too much downwind and cannot come back. Where you are going to do the walk of shame, don't worry, everybody has done it. A good upwind training is try to avoid to do the walk of shame. The best tip that somebody can give you is that you have to collect time on the water. Whenever you have the opportunity to wing, just do it. And if the wind conditions are not optimal, go in either way and practice. Remember TOW, time on water, or practice makes perfect. And remember, I am not a professional wingfoil teacher. There are better people to teach you to wingfoil and better YouTube videos to get advice. I am only speaking from personal experience. And I hope my video and my advices will help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it will mean a lot for me.